Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what's in my school bag college essentials video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have my backpack right here and we're just gonna jump into it. First off, I didn't realize how hard it was finding a book bag that was like cute but not childish, but I ended up finding this one. It is a peach colored backpack with peaches all over it, because if you didn't know, the peach emoji is a literal representation of me. But yeah, that's my backpack. It's a JanSport. I believe it is called a JanSport Big Student, something like that. If I can find it, I'll link it below. I'm just gonna go pocket by pocket and see what we got inside. By the way, that's a reason why I picked out this backpack, is because it has so many compartments. There were some that literally had like 2 compartments that were $60 to $100. That doesn't make any sense to me. On these side pockets, I have my Hydro Flask water bottle. It's like, this is not a Hydro Flask. This is a $5 water bottle from Target, because your girl does not have $40 to be spending on a water bottle. I did put this one to the test. So yesterday I did have class and I filled this up at like 8 something in the morning, and by like 7 o'clock in the evening I remembered that I had it and I took a sip and it was still cold. Save your coin. $5 from Target. In the first pocket up front, we have dollar bills. One thing about me is that I like having cash everywhere in random places. In my car, jacket pockets, dresser, it doesn't matter. I like having cash everywhere because sometimes when you think you don't got money and then you find the money, it just makes your day. And then I have some headphones so I can bump my Sweetie and Meg Thee Stallion while I'm walking through campus. And then I have a hair bow. I never have one when I need it, but I have one in here. So chapstick. This one is just a Vaseline lip therapy. I like the ones in the jar or Blistex, but it is coming up on the fall months and nobody likes crusty lips. I have a perfume. This one is Victoria's Secret Forever Sexy. They discontinued it, but you know, I got the hookup. And then I have a lip gloss because this is by Milani. These lip glosses right here make your lips look poppin'. I'll show you. I don't know if it's gonna work because I have lipstick on. Do you see that? I just, bam. All right, it's not a makeup tutorial, but you need this lip gloss. In this pocket right here, second pocket, I have a whole pack of gum because nobody likes funky breath. Shout out to Mariah, because Mariah put me onto the big pack. She always used to have this when we worked at Victoria's Secret together, and I'm like, girl, where did you find that? And she was like, Walmart. And I will look in Walmart in the gum aisle and never see this. But the gag is, it's in the self-checkout, so yeah. I have some fruit snacks because I'm a child who loves Scooby snacks. And then I have a portable charger. Is this Squirtle? This thing, let me tell you, it was only like $5 at Walmart, and this has saved my life so many freaking times. So yeah, there's that. In this pocket, I have girl essentials, tampons, panty liners, and I also have wipes. Let me put you on to something. If you're not a parent and you don't know about wipes, let me tell you about wipes. Wipes are multi-purposeful. Yes, you can, you know, clean, keep fresh. If you spill something on your shirt and you just use a wipe real quick, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna get it out. If you got sticky hands, wipes. If you got something on your mouth, wipes. Needed wipes are the answer to your life. In this pocket is where all my writing utensils are. When your girl goes back to school shopping, I get a little bit out of hand because it reminds me of when I was a kid again.
And you know, when you were a kid, when you wanted the, what is this, like a 21 count pack of Sharpies, and your mama look at you and be like, what do you need Sharpies for?
Now I can buy a 21 pack of Sharpies and can't nobody tell me nothing. So boom. And on top of that, I wanted a black Sharpie, but I mean, this is a whole 21 count of Sharpies and it was only $5, so why not? In that pocket, I also have my pencil case, which is really a makeup bag that my friend Aurora gave me. And in here, I have
3 days later.
Highlighters, Got all the colors. I have erasers. I have whiteout because I hate, like if I write in pen, I hate scribbling stuff out. 9 times out of 10, I'll just write on a new piece of paper, but just in case. Got some whiteout. I have a mini stapler because I'm extra. I've been in school for what, like 2 weeks? And I've already used this thing, so staples for my stapler. I'm about to put y'all on. Are you ready? I have pencils and pens. But these are probably the best pencils and pens, and they're probably the most affordable. So the pencils that I like to use, I just dropped one, are the, I think it's called Really Sparkly or Extra Sparkly, something sparkly, but they're big mechanical pencils. I don't know something about these pencils, they just write really smooth. I've used these for forever and ever. The pens is what really matters because
a good pen will change your life.
When it's smooth and crisp, and it's gonna make you happy. I have the Crystal, I don't know if y'all could see, but it's just big crystal. But I think these ones are called extra bold. The regular ones I don't really like. Okay, mini story time. My 7th grade science teacher, shout out to Miss Rocco, she brought in a pack of these pens, and like every time someone didn't have a pen to write, she would charge 25 cents and then we would get a pen. But people just started buying her pens because they were that good until she ran out and we just had all the good pens. These write freaking amazing. So next I have the big main pockets. It's huge. Okay, so in there I have my textbooks for my English class, my planner. It says Organized Chaos on it. I got this planner from Ross. I think it was like $9 if I'm not mistaken. It was around there. The reason that I like this planner so much is because planners like these usually are really expensive, and
I'm not gonna drop all that money on a planner.
So yeah, and the thing that got me about this one is that it has cute little stickers in the front, and it's just so cute. And then every month has like a little cute quote. Yeah, I don't know the brand or anything, or else I would link it, but I really like this planner. Then I have paper, just loose leaf paper, college ruled. I don't even know why wide ruled is a thing, because who uses wide ruled? I have a notebook, plain white, because I like to keep it simple. Right now I only have 4 classes. One is online, one hasn't even started yet, my math class, and then I have 2 English classes. So pretty much this notebook is just to, you know, take notes if I want to jot stuff down. In college, obviously most of your stuff is online, but I don't really use my computer in class that much. I just use a notebook. So yeah, my biggest advice that I could give to you guys, whether it doesn't really matter what school, what grade, whatever, I would wait probably like after the first week of school to get your school supplies. And the reason I say that is, like, yeah, you can get your essentials, paper, pens, stuff like that, but every teacher's different, every class is different. You never really know what you're gonna need, and there's no point in like getting a whole bunch of school supplies and you end up not needing it. So yeah, that's what I did. I waited till after like my first or second day of class, and then I went and got my school supplies. I have this notebook. It's just a little college rules notebook, but it says Just a Girl Boss, Building Her Empire, because
that is me.
And then I have I really need to take this out of it, but I guess I kept it in for the video, but it's like a file folder thing. I really like it. It was only $2 at Walmart. And instead of having a whole bunch of folders, it's just compact. You can keep a whole bunch of different things in it in one, so I really like this. The one thing about this book bag is that it doesn't have a laptop sleeve, but that's okay because it has a secret compartment in the back. And I actually like this better because it keeps it by itself, so it's super protected. But I still have a case just because. I got this case on Amazon. I like it. It's a cute pattern, and it has like a zipper in the front, and then if you look on the inside, it has like this felt material, so it really keeps it like protected. But the only thing I don't like about this is, if I don't know if you can tell, but like I feel like this laptop sleeve would more so fit a 15-inch, and I have a 13-inch. I like it to fit more snug, which is a whole bunch of extra room. So I probably will end up getting a new one. But yeah, I just have my MacBook Air. I don't bring my laptop with me all the time because it's just not necessary. So right now until like September, my classes end at like 12:30, so I'll just come home and do my homework. But on the days if I ever felt like staying on campus and studying or doing homework or whatever, or editing a video, I can bring my computer with me. And then I just have this little hand sanitizer because it's getting around that season where everyone's getting sick. And if you didn't know,
I go to school, I work, I'm a mom. I don't have time to be getting sick or catching anybody's germs.
So yeah, that is everything that I have in my college backpack. So y'all here having a hot girl semester. If you didn't know, Meg Thee Stallion's actually in school. She's repping for the hot girls that want to go to school and get their degree. And for anyone that's wondering, I'm actually in pre-nursing right now. My goal is to become an RN and work in either labor and delivery or NICU. I love babies and my goal is to work with babies. So yeah, that's what I'm going to school for. And that is going to be it for what's in my bag college essentials video. So if you have any suggestions of videos you would like to see from me, just leave them in the comments down below. And it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for everyone that showed me so much love and support on my last video. To all my family and friends that are supporting me, thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time.
The MVP, I told him ain't no taming me. I love my niggas equally.